Imagine a world where AI doesn't just answer your questions, but actively collaborates with you on complex projects. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI adventurers. Welcome back to Gen AI Learniverse. Today we're diving deep into OpenAI's latest innovation, Canvas. This isn't just another update, it's a complete reimagining of how we work with AI. Whether you're a writer, coder, product manager, or just someone who loves to stay on the cutting edge of technology, this video is for you. So buckle up, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you why Canvas is the biggest game changer since ChatGPT itself. So, what exactly is Canvas? Think of it as ChatGPT on steroids, specifically designed for writing and coding projects. It's a new interface that opens up alongside your chat window, giving you a dedicated workspace where you and AI can collaborate in real time. Canvas isn't just a prettier chat box, it's a dynamic environment that understands context, allows for easy editing, and provides targeted suggestions. Imagine having a world class editor or coding partner available 24/7, ready to help you refine your ideas and catch errors you might have missed. Accessing Canvas is super simple. If you're a Plus or Teams user, just head to your ChatGPT interface and look for the Model Selector dropdown. You'll see a new option called GPT-4o with Canvas. Select that and you're ready to go. And for all you free tier users, don't worry. OpenAI plans to roll it out to everyone once it's out of beta. Let's start with how Canvas transforms the writing process. I'll show you a quick example. Let me enter a prompt. How AI will take over jobs. As you can see now, we have a split screen. The right side is the space with the response and multiple options that I'll explain, and the left side shows all the tasks or edits it has performed based on our actions or selections.
So notice how I can highlight any section just by hovering over to this particular icon. So that applies for all the sections that we have. So once I click on this icon, it will ask me to, I can ask anything, whatever changes I want to do. Similarly, if I want to make any change in the section, I'll just select that particular part of that paragraph and then the new pop-up will appear. I'll just click on this ask ChatGPT and I can make the changes. So let's, for example, I'll just select this section, I'll highlight this section and I'll make it more impactful. Okay, and then I'll click on this icon and then what it will do, it will start rewriting that section again. Okay, so similarly I'll click over here and I'll say make it more creative and add emoji, for example, and I'll click on this icon and let's see. Okay, how I will take over our job, a bold new era, right? And it has added the emoji. So this is how you can change anything, any section, any paragraph, any heading based on your need.
See this slider? You can instantly make your content longer or shorter.
Let me make it a little shorter. So I'll just click here and I'll click on this arrow and it will start rewriting my whole content and it will make it a little shorter. So this is how it is. It has kind of rewriting my content, and as you can see, my content is now shorter than it was previously. So this is how easily you can shorten your content, or if you want to make it long, you can also do that.
This is huge for content creators. With one click, you can adjust your writing from kindergarten to graduate level complexity.
Let me change the reading level to middle school. So I'll just select here, click on this icon, and then it will start changing my whole content as per the complexity for middle school level reading. So this is how it has changed everything for middle school. And if you see at the left side, it will also mention what edit it has done. I have rewritten the text to make it simpler and more suitable for a middle school reading level. Let me know if there is anything else you would like to adjust. So similarly, it has changed the content just by clicking a single icon.
Clicking on this Suggest Edits button, it analyzes the content and also understands the context of your entire piece and makes suggestions accordingly to make your content better. If you click on Apply button, it will change your content, else leave your content as is. Made a change that you didn't want? No problem. Canvas keeps track of your revisions, so you can always go back. Just click on this button and your old version is ready.
This button allows you to add emoji. Do you have any use case for which you want to add emojis for all your content? You can do that. So let me try that. I'll just click on this arrow icon and then you'll see that whole all of my content will have a lot of emojis, as you can see, right? So if you have anything wherein you want to have a lot of emojis, for example, you are creating a kind of book or children book or any such scenarios, you can use that. But for now, I'll just go back and revert to my previous version.
This button here, it's like having a professional editor give your work a once-over, checking for grammar, clarity, and consistency. Now, let's switch gears and look at how Canvas revolutionizes coding.
So now let me open a new chat and I'll enter prompt that write a code for snake game. Just make it, let's make it simple. And similar to the writing one, has split the screen. At the right end, you will see the code, and the left side, it will give the high level detail that what it did. And similarly, you can ask the question if you want to make any changes, you can do that. But similar to the one that we have for writing, we also have different options, inbuilt options, I will say, for coding. And these options are different than what we had at the time of writing. So let's review one by one. So first one is add comment. As soon as I'll click on this icon, it will start adding comment to all my code. So as you can see, wherever it is required, it has started, adding the comments. So everywhere, wherever it is applicable, it is kind of adding the comment, check if the snake has eaten the food, control the speed of the snake and everything, right? So if you want to go through the code, if you want to share this code with anyone, if you want to understand what exactly it is doing, what each section is doing, then you can just look into that code. So this is a very, very amazing feature that it has provided, right? Along with that, you can do whatever you want to do, right? If you want to change any section, if you want to do any uh, you know you want to add any additional stuff, you can just ask here and then ChatGPT will do that for you. Let's look at another option. So this is add log. So whenever you are doing the code, if you are into the coding, you'll understand that logging is one of the important factors, right? So whenever we deploy any code or whenever we find any issue, logging is one of the important factors. So once I click here, what it will do is it will start adding the logs. So basically it will start adding the print command, so that whenever this code runs, it will give you some idea about, what is going on and how, and so it will print some of the messages. Like for example, here you can see, right? It has added the print statement here, print statement here. So similarly, it will help you to debug the code. Okay, let's see the third option, fix bugs. So if there is anything that you think your code has problem, it is not working, it will try to reanalyze your code and try to see if there is anything that needs to change, and it will provide you the fix for that. If your code is working fine, it will leave it as is. However, if you have anything specific, if it is not working as per the reanalysis of the code, it will make the required changes. Fourth one is port to a language. This is one of the amazing features that Canvas provide. So once you click here, right now our code is written in Python, but if you click here, it can also change your code to different languages. Like for example, Java, TypeScript, JavaScript, C++, PHP. Let's try PHP. So I'll click on PHP. So this code should be changed to PHP now. Let's see how it works. Yeah, exactly. This is the PHP code. I mean, it is kind of converting the code. There are a lot of projects that I have done in the past when it was required to change, language. So one project is on a specific language and you need to port it to another language. So this, for all those scenarios, this particular feature is going to be a great help, right? Okay, and the last one we have is code review. So if you want ChatGPT to review your code, right? If you want to provide ChatGPT to provide you some suggestions, or make some amendments in your code to make it better, make it optimized, right? To then you can use this option. So I'll just click over here, and then it will start analyzing your code, and then it will add the performance part or optimization part wherever needed. Okay, so this is how it works. You can use this code, use these options to make your code. I mean, obviously, anything ChatGPT had that option when you can write the code. But now, with all these options, debugging, logging, commenting, review, etc., now your life is, if you are a developer, your life is going to be easy.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning.